In this video help, we're going to be covering the inventory low-level report. Let's go ahead and go to that screen. In the screen, you're going to see in its current state all the products by their product code and product name. Now, in this case, not all the product names and definitions for the stores have been ordered, but we'll talk about the first two to get an idea of how that is set up. You will be in the inventory low-level report, which means that you're looking for items that are highlighted on hand in red. Those are the items that need to be ordered. If they're not highlighted and they're in white, you can use the omit record by just clicking on it to omit those records, and you can see them scrolling up to get rid of them if they're in white. Now, in this particular case, this is an automatic formatting that is done when the low level and the on hand are equal to or less than. So, for example, for demonstration, if I turn this to 0, it is no longer lower than the on hand, so the on hand would now go to a neutral color of white. So you can go ahead and identify items that are already in stock and at the level that you need them. Now you could omit that record, and then you would have that one not in your items that need to be purchased. You use this listing when you're doing a walkthrough inventory to find at what location your store is at, what your inventory levels are. You can also use this if you were hunting for products in your sub-stores or partner stores where you had inventory stock and you wanted to see if you needed an item and you needed it immediately for a sale. You could go to that store and request a purchase of that item, and they could cut a invoice to you that shows that you purchased that item, and then you would update in the system on your purchase order. You would take the purchase and show it, and then the name of the store that you actually purchased it from would be put in the invoice on the light items that you purchased from them, which should backflow all that information back to that store as an item purchased, and then it would update the inventory at the same time. You would have to stock it when it comes back in, changing the stock location to the stock location for the store that you are in. So if you have any questions about that or the information, if it's clear enough for you, that would be the way you would reverse the inventory system to show that you purchased it from one of your fellow stores. As I stated before, you can use the omit and show omit if you want to show the reverse of the items that you're viewing. And just, oh, by the way, if you click omit again for the second time, it will bring back all the items that were still listed. So you can go back and forth to look at different fields within the same report as a reversal. So it's just like flipping it over and looking at what's actually been omitted and then putting it back again to the items that you want to view. You can use the inventory to jump to the inventory and the store location or customer screens from this screen. If you have any questions, as usual, you can contact me through either email or give me a call on Skype. Thank you.